7 ways to optimize your Facebook page both on Google and in Facebook. In this video, you will learn the 7 easy steps that you can take in order to make your Facebook page show in Google search results. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete screen record on how to make your Facebook page appear on Google. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Here are 7 ways on how to optimize your Facebook page both on Google and Facebook search. Decide on a page category. Select the best possible category for your business page. You can edit the category from the basic information admin panel. Next is to refine your subcategories on your Facebook page. If you have a place, a local place or business, you can add or update as many as 3 subcategories within the basic information admin panel. Next is to complete your address. Graph search allows users to search for local places, their friends, so supply the complete and the current address of your business. Next is to fill the About section. The information you share in this section helps people find your page in search results, both on Facebook and search engines, particularly in Google, if you insert keywords at the beginning of specific fields. Next is tag photos. A photo is a primary content type that's displayed in graph search results. Tag every photo with your page name and any location that's associated with the photo. Next is to pay attention in the photo description. Include appropriate keywords in the description of each photo you post to your page. For example, a photo of an adoptable dog or an animal, or the name of your product for your business. Next is to create a username. If you haven't done so already, create for your page a custom URL in the format that includes the name of your organization to improve its SEO on both Facebook and Google. A Facebook page can increase your SEO ranking, making your page and your website easier to find. Anyone can find your Facebook page in using the Facebook search or Google. Hi guys, this is Archie Noche and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on the 7 optimization tips na mabibigay ko sa inyo para makatulong sa Facebook page mo na makita sa search engine ni Google. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today and I'll see you on the next vlog.